Welcome to Sai Tech Info channel, my dear students. In this tutorial, we will be discussing about the periodic properties exhibited by halogen family. So, the main members of halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So, down the group, the atomic radius actually increases because it occupies various shell. The electrons, the outermost electrons occupies the subsequent cells. So the general electronic configuration for this halogens is Ns2Np5. So for fluorine it is a 2s2 2p5. For chlorine it is a 3s2 3p5. Likewise it goes to the next level, energy level. So naturally the atomic radius increases. So when we compare the atomic radius of fluorine and the astatine, definitely we can expect the atomic radius of astatine is much more than that of fluorine. Similarly, ionic radius. So ionic radius also increases in this case down the halogen group. Then when we talk about this ionization enthalpy, here it decreases down the group. It means for fluorine it is very high, but for astatine it is less. And electron gain enthalpy, EGE, electron gain enthalpy, which is also called electron affinity. So this electron affinity goes up as we go down the halogen group. So when we compare fluorine and astatine, naturally the fluorine, it has the highest electron gain enthalpy. And when we look at the electronegativity down the group, the electronegativity decreases. Actually, what is electronegativity? Electron withdrawing tendency. So it means the fluorine has the highest electronegativity. Even among the elements in the periodic table, that is across the first row, the halogen family, particularly fluorine, has got the highest electronegativity. Next to that, as the electronic inert gas configuration. Electronic configuration is inert. In this case, it is having octet. Which one? The next one. That is the rare gases. But this has Ns2 Np5. It means that is 7 electron, 8 electron minus 1 electron. That is 7 electron. So it badly needs 1 electron, and that's why it is a highly electronegative. Okay, so it can just like that take 1 electron and get the octet configuration instead of losing all the 7 electrons. Okay, so that is why the valency is also 1 in this case. Then oxidation number, in fact the fluorine has the oxidation number -1, chlorine -1, bromine -1, and when you look at the other oxidation state, that is +3, +7, these are all possible in other halogens. But in the case of fluorine, it has a -1. That is, it has the tendency to take the electron. That is electron withdrawing tendency. We should not take electron. Electron withdrawing tendency is more in the case of fluorine. Then when we discuss about the physical properties like melting point and boiling point, that is a fluorine is actually, that is, it has got the, as we in the halogen group, as we go down, what happens? The melting point increases and the boiling point also increases. Okay, so these are all the major properties of what? That is periodic properties of it is a trend of a halogen family members. Okay, right.